Hello everyone, I welcome you all to my channel. In this video, we are going to solve trigonometric Fourier series problem. So already we have seen trigonometric Fourier series, basics of Fourier series. If you want to refer, you can refer the link given in the description box. So just we are going to recall the formula. X of t equal to a naught plus summation n is equal to 1 to infinity a n cos n omega naught t plus b n sin n omega naught t. So this is the trigonometric Fourier series formula. So here a naught value is equal to 1 by t integral t naught to t naught plus t x of t into dt. A n is equal to 2 by t integral t naught to t naught plus t x of t into cos n omega naught t into dt. And Bn is equal to 2 by t integral t naught to t naught plus t x of t sin n omega naught t into dt. Already we have seen this in the previous video, just we are going to recall it. Wave symmetry. So if it exhibits even symmetry means then Bn is equal to 0. If the signal exhibits odd symmetry means then A naught is equal to 0 and An is equal to 0. So second problem, find the trigonometric Fourier series for the periodic signal x of t shown in the figure. So this is the periodic signal given. So here it exhibits odd symmetry. So therefore we no need to calculate a naught and an value because a naught and an value is equal to 0. We should calculate only bn value. So now we are going to calculate the fundamental period t. So this is the signal given in the question. So we have to calculate one period, capital T. So here I am choosing one period as from -1 to +1. So this is one cycle. So capital T is from -1 to +1. So -1 to 0, 1 period, then 0 to 1, 1. So 1 plus 1 is equal to 2 seconds. Capital T equal to 2 seconds. And the period time is from -1 to 1. So t naught is equal to the lower limit -1, t naught plus capital T equal to upper limit 1. Now calculate omega naught. So we know t is equal to 2 pi by omega naught. From that omega naught is equal to 2 pi by t, that is equal to pi. So omega naught value is equal to pi. Since the signal exhibits odd symmetry, an and a naught value is equal to 0. Now we have to see what is x of t. From figure, x of t is equal to t. This is a ramp signal. So x of t equal to t from -1 to 1. Now we have to calculate bn. Bn is equal to 2 by t integral t naught to t naught plus t x of t into sin n omega naught t into dt. Now substitute capital T equal to 2, t naught equal to -1 and t naught plus t equal to 1. Then x of t is equal to t. So by applying these values, we will be getting Bn is equal to 2 by 2 integral -1 to 1 t sin n pi t into dt. So using this formula, we can calculate integral uv. So first u into integration of v, then differentiation of u into again integration of v, then you have to apply the limit. So you will be getting Bn is equal to -2 cos n pi divided by n pi. Now according to the Fourier series, x of t equal to, we will be getting only bn term. Since a naught and an is equal to 0, we will be getting x of t equal to summation n is equal to 1 to infinity bn sin n pi into t. So already we have derived bn is equal to -2 cos n pi divided by n pi. So substitute this in the above equation. You will be getting x of t equal to 2 by pi sin pi t minus 1 by 2 sin 2 pi t plus 1 by 3 sin 3 pi t, and it goes on. So next we are going to see some problems that are asked in the competitive exam. For a periodic square wave, which one of the following statements is true? So here we have to remember the Dirichlet's condition. It is very essential for solving this type of problems. So if it is a periodic square wave, then definitely we can apply the Fourier series. Also it should satisfy the Dirichlet's condition. So among these four options, option C is the right answer because the Fourier series coefficient exists and also the reconstruction converges at most points. So option C is the right answer. So the next problem, The Fourier series expansion of an even periodic function contains. So in the question itself given, it is an even periodic function. So if it is an even signal means then definitely you will be getting the terms a0 and an since bn is equal to 0. So we can write option A is the right answer. So it consists of cosine term and a constant. So next problem. The Fourier series of a periodic signal x of t with period t will not converge if. So we have to check the Dirichlet's condition here also. So x of t is not finite for all values of t. So from the first option itself we can say option A is the right answer, because if it is not finite means then it will not converge. So option A is the right answer. Next problem. If the signal x of n is real and odd, then the Fourier series coefficient ck is. So for this we have to remember this tabulation. If f of x is real and even means then the output will be real and even. If it is real and odd means then the output is imaginary and odd. If the input is imaginary and even means then the output is imaginary and even. If the signal is imaginary and odd means then the output is real and odd. So from this table we can write option C as the right answer. So the next problem. The function f of x is equal to sine 1 by x cannot be expanded as Fourier in the interval minus pi to pi since. So we have to check these four options. So among these four options, option A is the correct answer, because sine 1 by x. So if you substitute x is equal to 0, you will be getting infinity. So it has infinite number of maxima and minima near x is equal to 0. Then sine 1 by x is not a periodic function. No, it is wrong, because it is a periodic function. Then the third option is has infinite number of discontinuities. No, it has finite number of discontinuities. Since it is a periodic function, also sine waveform, it has finite number of discontinuities. Then fourth option, f of x is equal to sine 1 by x is unbounded. No, it is a bounded signal. So from these answers we can say option A as the right answer. The next problem, the Fourier series expansion f of t equal to a0 plus summation n is equal to 1 to infinity an cos n omega t plus bn sin n omega t. The periodic signal shown below will contain the following non-zero terms. So the graph is given. From the graph itself we can understand it is an even periodic signal. So if it is an even periodic signal means then bn coefficient is equal to 0 and you will be getting only a0 and an. So option D is the right answer. If you like this video, kindly subscribe my channel and press the bell button so that you can receive the notifications about my forthcoming videos.